All right, big happy Friday to everybody. November 15th, Friday, it's 3:55 p.m. Uh, there's about 4 or 5 days a year where we'll do chores, or I'll do chores excessively early. And it's usually Christmas, Thanksgiving, and a couple few times during the hunting season. Hunting season for us, whitetail, opened up this morning. Mornings are way too busy for me. I could probably make it happen, but I chose not to this morning. It was an absolute beautiful opener. Dead still, quiet, a little chill in the air, but not too bad, and it was pretty nice. My youngest brother Ed and my uncle Dan were both successful this morning, as we have bucks on the pole at camp. I am confident that about 45 minutes ago, my other brother Adam, who would be no more than maybe 140 in, had shot. I'm almost guaranteeing that. I'm going to go ahead and take you with me to the blind just on the walk there. Kind of show you where I'm at, which, if you can see, you've got the farm, the lot behind the barn, and then Kuthas. If you pay attention to the channel at all, or stay tuned to the channel, excuse me, you'll know exactly where we are. So, I used to carry my 45 with me. I got sick and tired of the bulkiness, so instead, Ruger SR22, nice little pocket pistol, as we call it, that, there we go. As you can tell, I do not chamber it. It literally becomes a pocket pistol. That didn't work out correctly. And then I have a Ruger 300 Win Mag, which is quite excessive for white-tailed deer. I got this a few years ago with the Redfield scope on it. Not only for hunting here, whitetail, but also going out west, which I'd like to do in the future. Anyway, probably some people rolling their eyes about using a 300 Win Mag for whitetail. 150 grain bullets. I'm here to tell you it does a phenomenal job. Phenomenal. Safety. It's literally clean straight in, clean straight out, with no giant hole on the other side. And the knockdown power is about equivalent to a damn cannon. So I was a little on edge about it until about 2 years ago. This gun's actually only shot one deer, and it's a perfect match. We gotta lock the truck. So yeah, we got two nice, respectful bucks on the pole at camp. I'm very confident there'll be a few more, a couple more on there this evening. Understand, if this gets shut off or the phone goes flying, you know why. There's a nice little knoll right here, and on the other side of that is an absolute haven for them deer that come right out of that little swampy hardwoods right there. We probably got about 12 people out of camp between brothers, brother-in-laws, dads, uncles, and some nephews. Had an amazing barbecue last night, November 14th, you know, the night before openers. Usually a pretty big honored celebration. Well, that's it. Time for me to do some hunting. I know this doesn't seem like real hunting to a lot of yous, and I get it. I do. I understand. Trust me, things were a lot different for me with hunting years ago. Life has gotten very busy, and this is what I can afford, and I'm okay with that. So, yeah, I figure I got a healthy, good 2-hour sit, and no more than 3 mornings ago while feeding the cows. The cow herd's just right there. Monster buck. I mean, we're talking about a pig. Came across this field, and Dad ended up seeing him as well. Traffic coming down this road. Dad seen him as well that afternoon when we combined the corn that day. So, yeah, good stuff. One last look. I got to turn you off, and I'm gonna go hunting. One thing I enjoy about hunting is the peace and quiet. You kind of get to sit there, relax with your thoughts, and do a little thinking. I don't know. That's my story.